Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for contactless payment. To begin, ensure you have the PayPal mobile application downloaded on your smartphone. This method primarily relies on scanning QR codes provided by merchants at the point of sale. It offers a quick and secure way to complete transactions without physically touching card readers or exchanging cash, making your shopping experience smoother and more hygienic. We will cover the simple steps to get started. First, open your PayPal app and make sure it is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Next, link a preferred payment method, such as your bank account or a credit card, to your PayPal wallet. This ensures funds are readily available for your purchases. Finally, enable location services on your device for the PayPal app. This can sometimes streamline the payment process at participating locations, though it is not always strictly necessary for QR code payments. When you are ready to pay, simply open your PayPal app and tap the Scan/Pay icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Point your phone's camera at the merchant's unique QR code displayed at the checkout. The app will automatically detect the code and prompt you to confirm the amount. Review the details, then tap to complete the transaction. You will receive an instant digital receipt within the app, confirming your purchase in just a few seconds. Using PayPal for contactless payments offers several key advantages. Your financial details, like card numbers, are never shared directly with the merchant, adding an extra layer of security. All your transactions are recorded within the app, making it easy to track your spending. Furthermore, PayPal's robust purchase protection policies apply to eligible transactions, giving you peace of mind. It is a fast, convenient, and secure way to manage your payments on the go, often completed in under 10 seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.